How to change date of birth in Gmail account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can change your birthday date or date of birth in Gmail account very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Gmail app and then click on your profile picture and then just click on manage your Google account. After that, you have to click on your personal info. Just scroll down and here you can see birthday. If I want to change my birthday, here click on birthday and from here you can select month and from here you can write date and here you can change year. After updating your date of birth, just click on save and confirm save. And if I go back, you can see my date of birth on Gmail account has been updated successfully. So guys, in this way you can change date of birth in your Gmail account very easily. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.